Hey guys, hope you're doing well. If you've been following the channel for a bit, you know that I live in Texas, and Texas was actually just hit by a pretty bad winter storm. At the time, I was actually visiting my girlfriend in Austin, and I basically got stuck there. Here's a picture of my car. It was actually completely snowed in, but made sure to turn it on every day and it was all good. But because of that, she's very, very, very dirty. I'll just show you. So she obviously needs a wash, but in the time that I haven't been home, I've been getting some packages. So with the help of my girlfriend, I'm actually gonna unbox them all for you guys. That's her. So yeah, this is my girlfriend, Eva, and if you wanna see us fight zombies together, here's a video over here. This box goes first. If you remember my interior trim pieces video, I said I was in the market for some new seats and door panels, which I got. In my spoiler video, I said I was in the market for some new tail lights, so that's what these are. Hopefully. I actually haven't opened the box at all.
Oh, it smells a little bit.
This came from overseas.
Yeah, I think it's the paper.
I really am hoping this is that. What if it's just like something completely random and just like, yeah, no. So these are the Porsche style taillights. I like these. They're a lot darker than stock ones. Black housing, clear lens.
There we go.
And yeah, so that plus. So this is a piece that goes on the trunk actually. This is a piece that stays stationary. It looks so nice. Let me get close. Like the detail on these things is really, really nice. Like how reflective they are. Some of that is the wrap itself, but I just think they look awesome. Because I do really like that monochromatic look, and the bright red taillights are basically the only real color on the outside of the car. So this is gonna change that. And should be installing these tomorrow?
Today?
Today, maybe. So we have this very dark.
Oh.
That's nice. These very dark ones.
There we go. Oh, they're nice and glossy. Look at that.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now on to the next one.
Oh.
Let's not break it. But this also does deal with lighting as well. This was basically more like an impulse buy. I saw it, I thought it was pretty cool, and it was cheap, so I went for it.
They're one job.
So another box. This one has a nice little tab. But these are actually...
or they
should be side markers for the mirrors, which they are. And they do have this blue little film around it, but they are just completely like ghost black. So this is them, and we will just make sure to get that audio. So this is actually the side marker. It's a sequential LED side marker. Big step up from the stock one, which is just blinking light, especially in a clear housing. These are only like 30 bucks, I think, which is a really good deal. Again, these should also be plug and play. These just have a little input. Comes with this little pry tool and a little Allen wrench to help you out. So this is a stock one right here, just flashing single lights. And then we have this one that looks way cooler. Actually, wait, wrong side. This is the other side. So instead of just a single flashing dots, it's gonna be a sequential LED bar that goes from the inside to the outside. Next is a gift from my girlfriend.
So this was for Valentine's Day.
So we have... Oh, there's one more there. So we have a 3-piece splitter for the Fusion, painted in gloss black. So there's a few different brands that make these, but you got this one from Amazon, correct?
Yeah, I got it from Amazon. I think it only took like 3-4 days for it to get in, so it wasn't bad. So
this right here is the driver's side. It bolts together to the front piece. The passenger side, very fitting because that's your side, passenger side. Paint looks actually really, really nice.
And it feels like sturdy, like it's not flimsy at all. So
here's the first piece. It's gonna look pretty cool.
There's the ice.
Yeah, please don't slip. Definitely more aggressive. Gonna look a lot nicer. Again, gloss black, even though it's dirty. Gloss black.
I swear it's gloss black.
That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe with post notifications. You can be the first to see the install of these parts because I'm really excited about it.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Also, special thank you to my girlfriend for helping me unbox everything because she's a lot better at it than I am.
And also your gift.
Yeah. Oh, and thank you for the gift. Sorry. Guys, get yourself a girlfriend that actually supports your car addiction and doesn't make you choose. It's very helpful.
I'm gonna make you choose. Not just kidding.
Bye.